Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from Skill Builder, and I've been out testing this 6 foot or 1.8 meters Milwaukee Redstick level, and you can see that it's looking a bit dirty. We can wash it off with a hose, but I thought I'd show you that we have been using it. We were using it on a very muddy site, building a garden room. The whole Redstick range is designed for punishment, so it's got those shock absorber ends, very, very strong in the body. It won't twist or bend. A level that's bent is no use at all, so it needs to stay absolutely level even when you drop it, and that is done by the way they mount this vial ultrasonically welded in there. You can also see it's got a shock absorber in it. There's also reinforcement across this cutaway here so that it doesn't bend in the middle, because that's what happens with some levels. Let's face it, you put them in the back of the van, tools fall on top of them, they get dropped, people abuse them in all kinds of ways, including tapping them. I've seen that a few times when people are trying to straighten something up. So if you've got a level that's as tough as they come, it's got a much better chance of surviving and giving you a good life. It's got high visibility vials, which makes it very easy. They're nicely magnified so that you can see them at a glance, and for somebody like me who's getting on a bit and the eyesight's fading, being able to see that bubble without having to squint or get my glasses on is tremendously helpful. Milwaukee's Redstick digital level. Now this is something, it's a cut above your average level for sure, and it works on a digital indicator, and it's visual and it's audible, so you can set the little beep. So if you're working under a bath or something and you're screwing up the legs, or kitchen units would be another one, where you just want to listen, you don't want to keep popping up and down looking at how level it is, you can just wait until you hear that beep and you know that you're spot on level. Not only is it a level, it is also an angle finder. So we took it out on site. Robin used it to pitch a roof, and he had an angle finder. He had already bought one, funnily enough, a digital one. He said that this was way better than that, very, very accurate. And he was able to just measure even to ½ a degree, which on a long pitch, ½ a degree matters. Simple USB plug-in port on the back. Also, it's waterproof. So we even washed it down at the end of the day because we were working on rather a muddy site. So great level. I wouldn't use it day to day if I was a bricklayer. I'd use it for setting out and then put it back in that protective bag. So how accurate is this? Well, I tell you, it is absolutely spot on accurate. We set this up against the industry leaders, you know the ones, and it's easily as good as those, if not better. And that level of accuracy and the rigidity means that you can be fairly sure that this is a level that's going to last you. I'm Roger Bisbee. I hope you found that interesting and useful. We'll be back with more Milwaukee tools and other tools in the near future.